Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome if it is your first time here. Hello, my name is Steff. I would love to have you become part of our makeup family. So be sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Today we're going to be doing a swatch party. I was gifted the new Gourmande Girls Galactic Gourmande eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette features 4 duochromes and 2 multichromes. This is a collaboration palette with Carrie K here on YouTube. I will have her channel linked in the description box of today's video, but this is the beautiful color story that we are getting. This palette retails for $34.99 and it is in stock right now on the Gourmande Girls website. I do have a code. The code Steff will give you 10% off of your order. I am going to eye swatch this palette and then I'm going to create 2 looks with this. Guys, I love the Gourmande Girls shimmer formula. I think I love their shimmer formula more than I love their matte formula because they have so much of a shift to it. They're so sparkly. They're so beautiful. So I have little doubt that I am going to absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. Thank you once again to Christina, the owner of Gourmande Girls, for thinking of me and sending me this amazing palette. Let's start off first with the eye swatches. I'll play some music as I go through swatching these. I'm just going to be applying them on the lid with no primer, and then we'll get into creating 2 looks with the new Galactic Gourmande eyeshadow palette. If you guys want to see this beauty in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, let's start creating 2 looks. I have primed my eyelids already with the Natasha Denona eyeshadow primer. And for matte shades, I'm going to be diving into the latest palette from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Paradise Islands eyeshadow palette. And look at this stunning beauty right here. Definitely a lot of beautiful mattes, also beautiful shimmers. I have a code with Nomad Cosmetics. It is Steff10. That will give you 10% off of your order. And guys, I apologize. Helicopters have been flying around for the last 30 minutes. I don't know exactly what's going on. Oh, I think that one's a plane, but the helicopters have been flying around. So if you hear like some background noise, I apologize. I don't know what's going on. I heard sirens, so I'm hoping it's not a terrible accident. Prayers for everybody if that was the case. But let's get started with eye look number 1. So let's see. Let's do something with blue first. Let's do something with the blues. So I think I'm gonna start off with the shade right here. This shade is called Dolphin, and then I'm gonna work into this blue shade right here. This one is called Hualine. This palette represents Bora Bora and Tahiti. So if I mispronounce any of the names, I am so sorry. So I'm gonna go in with a BK Beauty A501 and the shade Dolphin. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I'll just use this shade and I'll save Hualine for the lower lash line. Okay, now the train. What is it? I sit down to film and all forms of transportation are just all around me. So if you hear a whistle, that is the train. It is making its approach. I'll try and edit out as much as I can. Now, I did notice in swatching that there was a significant amount of fallout, in particular with the multi-chrome shades. So I'm just gonna be using this NYX Glitter Primer whenever I get ready to add a shimmer shade, which is right now. So I'm just gonna apply it all right here, and I'm gonna use my fingertip to apply. So I'm gonna go in first with this shade right here, and then I'm gonna layer this shade on top of it. Now I wanna try applying this with my finger. Since I didn't apply it that way in the swatch portion, I was tempted to, but I didn't. Okay, so see, you can see the fallout there. Now I'm gonna go in with a brush, and I am gonna spray it. And I just spray it with some setting spray. Now I'm just going back in with the brush I used for the matte shade, just to blend the edges. Now I'm going in with the shade Comet. I did spray the brush. Now in a BK A504, I am gonna add some of that blue shade Hualine from the Nomad palette. This is a darker blue matte. Just to blend right in here. I felt like I wasn't able to blend the two shadows together, so I'm hoping this will, yeah, that's helping. It was like a harsh line here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this matte shade right here. This one is called Stingray. I'm taking Stingray on a BK 204, and I'm gonna stop right there. And I'm gonna apply Comet. I'm gonna bring it down. Comet is the multi-chrome. Taking Comet on a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Adding some of Hualine to the lower lash line, keeping it really close. I love this so much. Let me add some liner, touch up my mascara, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, here's the completed look number 1. For the top lash line, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner. The mascara I'm using today is Maybelline Sky High Mascara. And for the lower waterline, this is an eyeliner from the Wet n Wild and Little Twin Stars collection. I think it was a trio or a pack of 4. There was like I think it was 4, a white, blue, pink, and a yellow. I think this might still be available on Ulta, and you get all 4 for like, it's less than $10. So that's what I have going on. I love the way this looks. I think this looks so pretty, and I like that I was able to layer the duochrome with the multi-chrome, but I think you're definitely going to want to do your eyes first with this Galactic Gourmande palette because I am getting some fallout. Let's jump over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I think I want to pack this green shade all over the lid and then use this one in the crease. So let's see, Lizard is the dark green and the light green down here is called Tiki. So I'm using a Rephr 02 just to pack on Lizard. Now on a BK A504, I'm picking up the shade Tiki. And And I'm just going to use that to blend out the edge and work the shade in the crease. And guys, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but I have done 4 looks with this Nomad Cosmetics Paradise Islands palette, so I'll have that linked in case you want to check that out. I'll link my indie makeup playlist. All right, so now I think I'm gonna go in with Luna and Celestial. So I'm gonna start first with Luna. I'm just applying some of the glitter primer. Taking Luna on the Refer 21. Such a beautiful shade. Kind of just focusing it on the bottom half and bringing it a little upwards right here on the corner. Now I'm going in with Celestial. Mermaid colors right here. These palettes are like perfect companions for one another. I think if you've already picked up the Nomad palette, I think you're gonna want to get this Galactic Gourmande palette because they are pairing beautifully. All right, now just so that I can try and use every single shade in this palette within these 2 looks, I'm gonna add M81. Pick it up with my finger right in the center. This is one of the multi-chromes, I believe. The multi-chromes definitely have some texture to them, and that's the ones you're gonna get most fallout from. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Maria, and I'm taking that on a Refer 26. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Europa on the Refer 26. I am gonna spray it. I think this shade would have been prettier on the lid. We didn't go that route today. You can definitely see the sparkle in there. Now I'm gonna pick up a little bit of M81. That's the multi-chrome shadow that I applied in the center. Just want to see right there. I just needed a little bit of lightness. All right, so let me add some liner, touch up the mascara, and I'll be right back to show you look number 2. All right, guys, here's the completed look number 2. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner on the top lash line, same mascara, and for the lower waterline, the NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Pink Spirit. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I was able to use all 6 shades in this palette, and what a perfect companion for the Galactic Gourmande palette, Nomad Cosmetics Paradise Islands palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so after eye swatching this palette, after creating 2 looks with this palette, I think it is a beautiful palette. I love this, and I love the idea of having multi-chromes and duochromes all in one convenient small little palette. It does come with a mirror, and that way you can take this with you on vacation, throw it in your purse, just keep it on your vanity, keep it wherever you do your makeup, and reach for it. This is so convenient, and I love the shades that Christina and Carrie included in this palette. I love that we get 4 duochromes and 2 multi-chromes. However, you're definitely gonna wanna pick up a little tube of this NYX Glitter Primer. Trust me, this is definitely gonna pair perfectly with this palette. You do get fallout with this palette, so I would recommend either laying down a good amount of powder so you can wipe away anything that might fall, or just do your eyes first. But I thought this was beautiful. Now, the 2 textured shades are this one and this one. These are the 2 that you're really gonna get the fallout with. Maybe not so much with the other 4, but these 2 right here that are the multi-chromes, yeah, definitely use that glitter glue and just lay down a little bit of extra setting powder and you should be good to go. Guys, this will pair beautifully with a neutral palette. I was so tempted, and I actually started bringing the Natasha Denona Mini Xenon palette and then the Mini Nude palette. I thought I was just going to use those 2 palettes, kind of something neutral, and then use this on top of it. But when I started looking at this palette, I'm like, oh, there's blues and greens. What palette do I have close by that has blue and green mattes in it? And of course, Nomad Cosmetics Paradise Islands palette. perfect companion. I mean, these two guys, like I said earlier, if you have this one already, consider picking up this one because for $34.99 less my 10% off, which is Steff, my discount code, these are super companions for one another. And this is a really nice price for multi-chromes and duochromes. It is more expensive to make these types of shadows. They are special shadows, but I think Gourmande Girls did a fantastic job with it. And I'm so happy that this was a collab palette too. So congratulations to Carrie and congratulations to Christina and the entire team at Gourmande Girls for another fantastic release. And thank you so much for sending me this palette. Guys, I will have all the makeup that I used both on and off camera linked in the description box of today's video, along with my codes for the two palettes that I used. In case you end up shopping through any of them using my codes, I thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and my channel because some of these codes and links are affiliate links. And with that, I am giving the Gourmande Galactic palette from Gourmande Girls 2 thumbs up. Amazing, affordable way to get duochromes and multi-chromes into your stash. Let me know which look you like best, guys. Are you team 1, team 2, team none? Hope not. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.